Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Nigerian buns. So let's get started. So these are our ingredients. We'll be using 2 cups all-purpose flour and a cup cauliflower. Two teaspoons baking powder, a 1/4 cup sugar, and a teaspoon salt. We'll combine this together thoroughly. Then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons coconut flakes, 2 full tablespoons, then a tablespoon sesame seeds. This is one of the ways to include healthy foods into your kids' meal. They love browns, therefore they won't even notice anything. So we'll be using 1 egg and 2 drops vanilla cream. This is actually optional. Then 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Mix this together very well. We'll whisk it together very well. Then you form a hole and pour into it. Mix this together with spatula. Then we add in your liquid. You can use water. I'm using coconut milk here. You add a scant cup. A scant cup is okay. So you add it bit by bit until it reach the right consistency. If you want to achieve a very crunchy buns, then you can keep on doing this like this. And if you want it hard, you have to exclude the egg. And if you want it softer, you include more oil or butter or even water. So once you're done with that, we deep fry on medium heat. So make sure the heat is not too much so it won't get burnt easily, and make sure it's not low as well so it won't be soaking oil. So you turn once it's getting brown. You don't have to wait till it's very brown before you change it. The color will change and improve once you're done. Just make sure you spend the right time, then to be okay. So it's done. You can see it looks crunchy. Look at it. So, and soft inside as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.